Just texting Rick there, letting him know that we got another bird on the ground, and it's after the hunt. And a week ago I just filmed my little boy shoot a double-bearded bird, which was a first for me. In all the years I've been hunting, I've never been able to capture or be a part of anybody shooting a double-bearded bird, and my son killed an absolute giant. And today, this morning, I just witnessed another first. And my buddy Coop, he come to me some time ago, said he had this muzzleloading shotgun that he wanted to kill a bird with. And he showed me this gun, and needless to say, I had my doubts as to whether this was going to happen or not. He said, Dan, I just need him to be about 20 yards or closer. As the action unfolds, because it's after the hunt, we had probably 6 to 7 jakes come in this morning, and he's never killed a bird, so he said, I'll be happy with anything, Dan. And these birds come in, and I'm telling you, they were around us. We had some other gobblers, gobbling here, gobbling there. We had them over on this side of us, and they were just gobbling all around us. And these jakes come in, and I told them, Coop, well, maybe we should hold off a little bit and try to get one of these other birds to come in. And these birds were in here, and they were all around the blind, and they were hammering at the decoy. I mean, they were jockeying for position, to see who's the bigger man around the decoy. And Coop couldn't take it no more. He says to me, he said, Dan, I want to shoot one of these. I said, you sure? He says, I want to shoot one. I said, okay, Coop. So I get the camera on the birds, and Coop just absolutely steamrolls this bird at about 18 yards. Sit back and watch as the action unfolds here on Terminal Addiction Outdoors. You see him?
There's at least 2 of them.
There's at least 4.
Okay, I just saw at least 2.
Can you see him? Keep that gun down.
Down.
No. Just keep it like up on
That was a lot of smoke. That's for Danny. That gun Danny gave me. All right, hold on. My buddy Danny Cannon gave me this a while back, and he passed away 2 weeks ago. I told his wife that I'd go out and try to get a bird with it for him. So this bird here is for Dan Cannon, my best friend.